Hello, this is Miss Holden, and today we're going to talk about how to create and make a video for Flipgrid for your response for the scholarship jacket. So within your page, you should have already received the prompt, which is, have you ever been treated unfairly because of your race, your religion, the way you look, or just because you are different? Unfortunately, many of us have. Tell about a time where you were treated unfairly. How did you react? How did it make you feel? So once you've thought about this, you are going to be making a video that is at least 1 minute long. For my particular class, I've set the limit at 1 minute and 30 seconds as far as the time limit you have to speak. Um, you also, if you feel like you might get a little nervous, you might want to have some written notes if you don't feel like you can just speak off the cuff as to what it is that you are going to say. All right, so what is it we're going to do and how are we going to do it in order to create this Flipgrid? So I will send you a code in order to access the page for our class in order to create the Flipgrid. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Google and type in Flipgrid. Go ahead and click on the main page, and you'll notice it says enter a flip code up here. This is where you're going to put in the code that I gave you to create your Flipgrid. Now, once you are in there, I'm going to show you how it looks like through my page. Yours may be a little bit different because obviously I'm the teacher and yours is going to be the student. But when you are in there, you're going to see your different grids. Now, yours is only going to have ELA Block 1 or ELA Block 2. Unless you have some other classes that are using Flipgrid. So let's go ahead, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on the block, and you'll notice in here that it says the scholarship jacket. This is the assignment that you're going to use to create your prompt. So when you get in here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on actions, and you're going to hit record a response right now. So once you do that, by this point, by the way, you should know what you're going to say, because once you start to hit this button, it doesn't start automatically, but you should have a good idea of what it is that you're going to say in regards to the prompt. So let's say you're going to click on it here. Obviously, we have a nice little meme going on here, but what you're going to do, the prompt is still here. So you can think about it. You can decide what it is that you are going to say. And then what you're going to do is hit down here and you're going to hit record a response. Now, for the record of this response, this is where you're going to get your video. You're just going to go ahead and click this button right here, and that is going to allow you to videotape. Now, there are lots of other things that you can do to add to this to make it a little bit more personalized. You can do different filters. For instance, I can change it all different colors. Okay, please do not do this one. That's my only request. I want to be able to actually see you through this since I haven't seen you in a good long while. You can add different texts. You can add stickers into it to make it personalized. You can write different things. So this is what you can do after. So first thing is you want to go ahead and you want to hit this little play button. It'll give you the time in order to do it, to record your thing. And then when you are done, you're going to hit pause, next. Okay, so then that's where you can add in your information. You take a selfie that then uploads your assignment into what it is that you are going to send to me. All right, so that is all that it is too. Once you have submitted that to me, I will be going ahead and giving you a grade for that assignment. Make sure that when you are speaking, you speak clearly, you speak slowly, you speak scholarly, and answer the prompt fully and completely. As I said, you may want to have a few notes in order to answer the question effectively. Miss y'all. Have a great week.